Welcome to the third formula of this course where we teach you how to A/B test and find out the best. Now guys, when you go into a shopping mall, what you do? Let's say you want to buy a watch or a cell phone or a shirt or whatever that is. You just don't go on to a shop, see a watch or a clothes and you just buy that. No, you don't do that. You go to different shops. You visit different sellers. You try different variations of that particular product you want to buy, and then you decide which one fits you the best. And that is what A/B test is. Trying out variations and finding out what fits best to your business. Over the years, marketers have developed this technique to find out the best way of promoting or marketing their product, which is appealing to the consumer. And this is what we call A/B test. Now there are plenty of tools which you can use to A/B test, like creating variations of a particular offer and finding out which one is working more, which one is attracting your customers more to opt in to your mailing list. So the way you do it is called A/B test, and there are plenty of tools, amazing tools by which you can do that. But the best tool which you can use to A/B test your offers is undoubtedly OmniKick. So here's how you can use it. Okay, so to A/B test your offers, the process is very simple. All you have to do is just sign into your OmniKick account. Now when you sign in, for example, you want to create an offer on this content. This is one of our most highly visited contents, that is content marketing, 13 types of content that drive traffic. Now let's say I want to A/B test offers over here. So what I do is I go back to my app, click on creating opt-in funnels, and I'm a little bit confused now between this template and this template. Now let me show you both these templates. Now why I want to do A/B test is because I am not sure that which one of these templates can drive me more conversion. This particular content on my blog has a lot of visits. It gets a lot of traffic every day, and the bounce rate of this content is very low. It's one of the most highly engaging contents in my site, and I can drive a lot of contacts, emails into my mailing list from this content. So I want to put an offer over here, but I'm a bit confused between this awesome pop-up and this pop-up. Okay, both of them looks cool and beautiful with a good design and good contents and stuff, and I can change the image and do all the basic things with both of these templates, but I'm a little bit confused now that which one would work. So what if I can use both of them, and through a test after running both of this templates sometime, the one template that gives me the most number of conversion, that works the most, I'll keep that one for a longer time. So in order to do that, all I have to do is first work with any of this template. Okay, let's stick to the first one. Okay, let's take this personalization feature off from here first. Let's put the cookie duration in 0. And I'm only doing this because I want to show you guys how it works right away as soon as I'm done with configuring this. Okay, but you can set the cookie duration in a way that fits to your site and your needs. Right, so let's remove the branding. Okay, it's gone. Let's keep this enabled. It's important for GDPR, and let's rename the funnel as A/B test. Okay, now once I am done with this, I'll go to the display rules and copy the path of this URL, as I only want to show this offer in this page, in this content. That's why I'm copying this particular path. Now in the display rules, I'll select it to appear after, well, let's select it. Okay, let's select this one. All right, let's keep this. Let's select the scroll down option rather than the second one. let's let you, what this thing does is it gives your readers some time to go through your content, right? Let's make it 20 or 30. All right, let's make it 30%. Okay, and then scroll down a little bit. Let's select the page and exact match. This condition needs to be selected, and then paste the path of the URL. Now once you're done with all this, let's click on save and publish. Let's exit from this place. The funnel is live. Now let's check the content here. Hooray, it's up. Learn to dominate content marketing, okay? And the content is certain types of content. So it's pretty similar. It's matching with the content, and you're offering something very valuable to your readers by this pop-up. Now, in the same page, you are a little bit confused that whether this one is going to work or the green pop-up which I showed you, earlier, that's going to work. So you want to use both of them and test it like an A/B test. So how do you do that? Very simple. Just go back to your OmniKick app, click on this gear icon, and hit on Create Variations. Now you can see it says AB and 2 variations created. So when you click on it, one is base, another one you will see as V1. This is the version 1. Okay, this is the clone, right? And this is the original one. Now you click on this icon, click on Edit. Now let's switch the template. Let me remind you guys that we are working on version 1, not the base one, okay? So in the version 1, you click on switch template, scroll down, then select this template. Successfully changed, okay? Now let's take this thing off first, okay? Let's say you change the content headline, all right? And let's take this thing out, download free extensive guide. And you change the CTA button to download now, right? Looks pretty cool, right? Then you take off the branding, you keep this as it is, keep the cookie duration 0, and you remove the branding, right? Like this. And then once you're done with it, go to the success message. The default page is thank you page, so you have to change it. Click on success theme, select download, so the download page, then upload the file, and it's uploaded successfully. All right, so once it's uploaded, what you're going to do is click on save and publish. Okay, now let's see if it's working. Now we have just published the other template right now on the same page, okay? And over here we can see the blue one, the blue pop-up. Now let's try it in another browser, all right? Okay, now let's see if the A/B testing feature is working properly or not. Let's open another browser and let's test it from here. And voila, you got it. It's working. You see, it's the same content. That's 13 types of content on my blog, okay? And on Firefox, there's a different pop-up, and on Chrome, there's a different pop-up in the same page, in the same content, in the same URL. So The purpose of this formula is to identify that which one of these templates works better. So there is no guesswork, there is no assumption, and you know what you are doing. You know which one is working better, and you are using that to get the maximum result. So this is how you actually do A/B testing here in OmniKick, which only takes few clicks and very simple process, and that's how you do it. So this is how you A/B test your offers by using OmniKick just by a few clicks. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you into the next formula. Thanks for watching.